Hello guys, I welcome you all for the lecture session of Sri Ganesh Junior College. I am Pradhyapak Vamshir Sagar. Here I present you the chapter Sound Waves from the 12th standard. Okay, I think we are meet after Diwali vacations, and due to the amid coronavirus, we have taking the lectures online. Okay, so in the last lecture we are discussing about the sound waves. We have first of all we have introduced what is meant by waves. Okay, so first of all, what is meant by waves? So waves is actually disturbance through the medium. Okay, so that thing we have studied here. There are some waves we are discussing over here. That means mechanical waves, EM waves, and matter waves. First one is mechanical waves. Second one, EM waves. And third one is matter waves. These waves we have studied in the last lecture. After this, we have discussed about the common terms or properties. Common terms related with waves. So some terms we are discussing in the last lectures. So those terms are here. Just look carefully. Which are those? So I think first one is amplitude. Then second one is frequency. Third one time period. Fourth one wavelength. Then fifth one phase. Okay, so these are some terms we are discussing in the last lecture. As we know that the amplitude means if the maximum displacement from the mean position. It means what? The maximum displacement of any particle from its mean position when our wave is vibrating in any medium. Then after that we are discussing about the wavelength frequency. Frequency means the number of oscillations performed by the particle in per unit time. Okay. After this, time period. Time period means to complete one oscillation or one revolution to come again its mean position. That thing is called as time period. And wavelength, the distance between crest or trough. That thing is called as wavelength, and which is denoted by lambda. Okay, the unit of frequency is hertz, or we have to count in RPS. Okay, unit of time period is second. Then phase. Phase means angle or difference between any two waves. Okay, or phase difference we have to say. So these are some common terms. Here we have discussed about the waves. After this, we have discussed the next thing, that is progressive waves. So in that we have said that which wave we have to say the progressive wave. The waves which are having same amplitude, frequency. Okay, so those waves are called as progressive waves. So what is meant by progressive wave? So progressive wave means the waves which are having same amplitude, frequency and time period. We have discussed already, but there is some gap of Diwali vacations, so we have revised again it. So here we have the progressive wave. The waves which are having same amplitude, frequency and time, those waves are called as what? Vibrating in vibrating with असं म्हणावं लागेल vibrating with. Okay. Second thing is phase changes from particle to particle. Phase changes from particle to particle. आता आपण या ठिकाणी पाहणार आहोत मेकॅनिकल वेव्ह. आणि मेकॅनिकल वेव्हचे आपण दोन टाइप्स पाहणार आहोत त्या ठिकाणी किंवा प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्हचे. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोग्रेसिव्ह वेव्हज. ओके. Okay, so progressive waves can have two types. So first one is transverse progressive waves and second one is longitudinal waves. So यांच्यामध्ये सिंपल डिफरन्स आहेत. ते डिफरन्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी स्टडी करायचे. ओके. सो मटेरियल मीडियम वगैरे या सर्व गोष्टींच्या सहाय्याने हा डिफरन्स आपण या ठिकाणी काय करणार आहे, टॅकल करणार आहोत. ओके. सो ट्रान्सफर वेव्ह म्हणजे ट्रान्सफर वेव्ह म्हणजे काय असतात? द वेव्हज विच आर पासिंग परपेंडिक्युलर टू द मीडियम ऑफ प्रोपगेशन. म्हणजे काय? आपल्या वेव्ह ट्रॅव्हल करतात आहे बरोबर, आणि ट्रॅव्हल करत असताना हे जर प्रोपगेशनची डायरेक्शन असेल, डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन बरोबर, आणि त्याला कशा ट्रॅव्हल हे करतील त्या परपेंडिक्युलर या पद्धतीने. कशा जातील त्या? परपेंडिक्युलर. म्हणजे हे झालं डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन आणि आपल्या वेव्हज ह्या पद्धतीने ट्रॅव्हल करतात लाईक दिस. सो दिस थिंग वी हॅव टू से ट्रान्सफर वेव्हज. व्हेन वेव्हज propagated in perpendicular to the direction of propagation. When waves which are propagate through a medium perpendicular to the direction of propagation, that waves are called as transfer waves. मग longitudinal waves कशाला म्हणायचं? So longitudinal wave means which are propagated in the direction of propagation. म्हणजे डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन मध्ये सेम डायरेक्शनला जे प्रोपगेट होतात किंवा पॅरलल असतात, दोज वेव्हज आर कॉल्ड ॲज लॉंजिट्युडिनल वेव्ह. म्हणजे ज्याचं डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रोपगेशन असेल आणि त्याला हे ह्या डायरेक्शनला वेव्हज आपल्या काय होणार आहे, प्रोपगेट होणार आहे. ओके. सो दोज वेव्हज आर कॉल्ड ॲज लॉंजिट्युडिनल वेव्हज. ठीक आहे, या पद्धतीने. मग आता याच्यामध्ये काही इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट्स येतात ट्रान्सफर वेव्हचे. ओके. सो मग आज आपण कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ट्रान्सफर वेव्हज पाहूया. सो वी हॅव स्टडी कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ट्रान्सफर वेव्हज. ओके. सो इथे नाव देतो मी. सो आपण या ठिकाणी पाहूया फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ ट्रान्सफर. सो फर्स्ट दी कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहे ऑल पार्टिकल ऑफ मीडियम, ऑल पार्टिकल ऑफ मीडियम व्हायब्रेट in the direction of perpendicular, vibrate perpendicular to the direction of propagation, to the direction of propagation. This is the first characteristics of our transverse. Okay, so second characteristics we are studying here. second characteristics, look here. So second characteristics is when wave propagate through the medium, when wave propagate through the medium, then it divides into two parts. Then it divides into two parts. First one is crest. Crest, that is positive डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अप्पर हाफ म्हणू शकतो याला किंवा याला काय म्हणू शकतो, पॉझिटिव्ह डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, देन सेकंड वन and trough, that is negative part or negative displacement. It is a region of negative displacement. So as we know, waves propagated like this. So this part is called as crest, which is upper half or positive displacement, and lower half like this. This is a trough, which is negative displacement or negative region of displacement. Okay, so second characteristics lakshat gya. When wave propagated through the medium, then it is divided into two parts. Upper part or upper displacement region is called as crest, which is positive, and lower displacement is called as trough, which is negative. So this is the second characteristics we have discussed here. Just look carefully and normally. Okay, after this, third characteristics, look carefully. Third, distance between any two crest or troughs are called wavelength. तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं, वेवलेंथ म्हणायचं. त्यानंतर फोर्थ वन, when crest and troughs advances in medium, then it transfers एनर्जी. तर ते काय ट्रान्सफर करणार आहे, एनर्जी ट्रान्सफर करणार आहे. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, सो आता नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पाहूया, पॉइंट नंबर 5. So look carefully here. Point number 5 will becomes transfer waves. Point 5. Transverse waves can travel through solids, and on only surface of liquid. म्हणजेच काय, it does not transfer through liquid or gases. It is transferred through only surface of liquid and solid. Okay, so after this, number 6, when it travels through medium, then pressure and density does not change. Okay, when it travels through medium, then pressure and density does not change. Number 7 पारा क्या असणार आहे? When it travels in single direction, then those are called polarized waves. तर त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? पोलराइज्ड वेव्स असं म्हणायचं. ठीक आहे. तर आज आपण हे ट्रान्सव्हर्सचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाहिलं. ठीक आहे. तर काही तांत्रिक अडचणीमुळे आपण हे लेक्चर थोडंसं छोटे घेत आहोत. उद्यापासून रेग्युलरली तुमचे जवळपास 45 to 50 मिनिट्सचे लेक्चर होतील. जर कोणाला काही अडचण असेल तर त्यांनी मला व्हॉट्सअपद्वारे कळवायचं. आणि आपली फिजिक्सची सॉलिड वगैरे किंवा एनसीईआरटी बुकचा रेफरन्स चांगल्या प्रकारे घ्यायला चालू करायचं आहे. तुमच्या एक्झामच्या टेस्ट थोड्या पुढे मागे होतील तरी पण आपला जो क्रायटेरिया आहे तो काही सोडायचा नाही. ठीक आहे. सो थँक्यू.